Okay, so today, yes, today I went for gypsy and I think I look like a guitar. Like, yo, what up, dog, yeah, etc, etc. Yeah, so. I look like string, but I am not doing anything much. Yeah, we were just watching some of Taylor's makeup videos and we tried it out. It's impossible. And Taylor, you have in your makeup organisation part 1, you dropped your blusher. You had hair on it. Anyway, yeah. I am so bored. I would like to do a makeup video of my own, but I don't want to look like a complete clock. So I probably won't do that. But this is what I'm going to go for. Yeah, simple. Mascara, blue eyeliner, down the end. No eyeliner, just lip brushing. Yeah. Oh, cool. Yeah. I'm a tool. I'm awesome. Thank you. See ya.